I note that you're back in your offices, and we are starting to reopen around the country. Governor Abbott wants people in Texas out and about. And I'm wondering, as we start this process, what it's like there, what corporate leaders, what even people who run mom and pop stores are telling you about how fast they see things coming back.
So I've been coming to the office. I live close by, and I have two small children. So I've been coming to the office for some number of weeks now. But even at the Dallas Fed, we really have limited our attendance to essential employees, cash, law enforcement, only those essential. And I think that's true of many businesses, even here in Texas, where there's certain kinds of businesses where you need to have people back in the office, manufacturing, for example. And there's other businesses that have been working all through this very effectively from home. And I think the attitude there, and my own attitude, is if we're effectively working, I don't think there's a rush to come back because we're productive and we're doing our job. And I don't see the compelling reason. I think a lot of businesses are doing that. The big difference I see here in Texas is retail stores, restaurants, hotels are opening. Many of us, including me, are giving it a try and going out to dinner. And so you're starting to see that, and you're seeing a lot more traffic on the streets and a lot more cars driving.
Well, how fast do you think then the economy recovers?
So here's the issue. For certain activities, with businesses reopening, I think you can see a good, slow, steady recovery in the third and the fourth quarters. What I'm worried about is, despite what the government may say, or what the guidelines are, there are certain behaviors that consumers are going to be reluctant to engage in, whether it's shopping or going to entertainment or arts or anything where people are gathered. And this is an example, for me, what the feds have done on our lending programs has helped stabilize markets. The fiscal policy is key, but I think at this stage, to recover faster, the healthcare policies are central. And what do I mean by that? Ubiquitous testing, contact tracing, good procedures. And I'm one that is a little concerned. We're doing more testing in Texas, but I would love to see a national initiative, Manhattan Project, to really emphasize testing and quick testing in front of stores, restaurants, other facilities, so people have more confidence that when they go in, they're not walking into a situation where they could be at risk. I think until we have that, my concern is there will be limits to how fast we can recover, and that we'll recover, but without certain types of activities fully recovering, it'll just limit our GDP growth, and it will mean the unemployment rate will be more elevated than it would be otherwise.